there is a train going to cross the street, so they stop. Lots of people waiting on the line. You can see this golf up district. You can see the train tracks and airplane on the sky as well, which is near the airport. And there's a 15 minutes a train's crossing the street. It's coming. There's 1,000 of ants and motorbikes, you know, just coming. This is one of my favorite spots for breakfast, seeing the watching traffic and seeing the trains, you know, starting your morning life slowly. It's coming. It's long train, isn't it? Wow, look at that. Start. Cho em sườn trứng, 2 trứng. What's up, guys? This is Ben again. I just want to show you, this is one of my favorite breakfasts in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. If you want to experience chili like a local, you must to try the broken rice for breakfast in the morning. It's the steam pots right here. See, cook the eggs. Sunny side. It's a Creole pork. It's cut into pieces with a pickled radish and carrots. A little bit spring onions, cucumber.
Cái viên cơm này chị?
Dạ.
I ordered 2 eggs, sunny side up, and Creole pork, the cucumber, cherry radish, and carrots. This vendor ladies cook broken rice is on the top level. I ate here like more than 20 times. It is located nearby my house. That's why I go here for breakfast every morning. Oh yeah. Come on. Cho em 2 trứng một thịt gạo. Oh yeah. Got a lot of local people surrounding me as well. Later, you're gonna see the trains run over here. Train streets. I love this restaurant because the vibe and the you know, they got outside on the sidewalk. Look here. I ordered 2 eggs and grilled pork. Give me a little bit like dipping sauce, fish sauce. You're gonna add some chilies on and spring onions and cucumber. This is truly amazing breakfast for Saigonese people. Alright. Em người Việt Nam hả? Dạ. Em quay YouTube cho vui mà.
Nhưng mà cái dạng người nước ngoài không ạ?
Em nói bình thường mà. So you can see I give chilies. So you're gonna add inside the dipping sauce, fish sauce. This is a real broken rice. So you're gonna pour a little bit fish sauce around the grilled pork, and then cucumber, and then with eggs here. All right, so we're gonna mix it up. The first bite with everything I have. Got grilled pork, shredded carrot, radish, and even a little bit cucumber. The sunny side later I try. Look at here. Mm. This is the must dish you must to try for breakfast. So the second bite, we're gonna have this. This really amazing dish. You say the original dish come from the Saigon here. The local people actually it's every morning, every day. This can be the breakfast for and lunch and even dinner as well. You know, in the past, the history book tell us that you want to be truly the local. You must do it broken rice in the morning. One hand Vietnamese spaghetti banh mi, but now you can have broken rice, and the other hand you can go try a cup of coffee. So, so after this, you eat this broken rice, and then next door you can see there's a coffee shop outdoor, with a tiny chair and table over there. The people surround drink coffee in the morning. So this really convenient. You can experience truly like a local. Have this amazing dish, broken rice, and then going to try the coffee, a cup of coffee in the morning. Actually, in the past, the other thing that they want after coffee and breakfast, they will hold a newspaper. In the past, no technology, no TV, no smartphone, so they read news, on the newspaper. That's amazing, right? So this broken rice actually, you know, they steam. They steam. My parents cook a rice wine in hometown. I also, my parents use broken rice to steam cook to make rice wine. So this broken rice is tiny rice that in the past usually for the poor people, but now it's become simple a dish of Saigon. This one they steam. They have to know how to cook, otherwise it will become porridge. So this you must to try when you are in Ho Chi Minh City. In the morning, try broken rice, and then go to the coffee. Try the coffee. Right. That's great way to start your morning, your day. That's amazing energy. Okay, this one I haven't tried like more than 10 times because next to my house, and also the vendor she cook this. Surrounded my area. There's many other broken rice stones, but this one of my best. I picked this one because I like the most. The meats, the broken rice, the eggs, everything okay, everything perfect. All right. So come to try. I put the rest. I put the address down below the comment. Okay. Let's check it out. A restaurant is in Gò Vấp district, which is nearby the airport. All right. Now you explore the local area, practice and contact and interact with the local people and then get amazing dish. Practice some Vietnamese. What could be wrong, right? Let give it a try. All right. When you are in here, you can contact me. You can message me if you want. All right. See you guys for another dish in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. Nhiêu chị nhỉ?
37.
You see, wow. It's cost $1.5 USD, which is very, very cheap for you guys, right? Urban rice, eggs, grilled meats. They watching the traffic. Train shit. It's a train streets down there.